Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make a tool giving GUI. First, insert the tool that you want. Insert the tool into the workspace and say no to put this tool into the starter pack. Now, put your tool inside the replicated storage. Right-click on Start GUI, insert Object, and put in a Screen GUI. Right-click again, insert Object, and put in a text button. Customize the button to your likings. Once you have your button, right-click on the text button, insert Object, and put in a local script. Now type this in. Local tool equals game.ReplicatedStorage.ClassicSword. This means that the tool is going to refer to your game, and then the replicated storage to the classic sword over here. Here you just put your tool that you put in the replicated storage. But since mine is a sword, I put classic sword. Now we're going to do local player equals game.Players.LocalPlayer. So this is going to be the game, and it's going to go in players, and it's going to go to the local player that is going to do a function. So yeah. Script over here dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function. Basically, the script dot parent over here, so it's just a button, when it's clicked, it's going to do a function. So now the function is going to be to give the player a sword. So we're going to do tool clone, so it's going to make a copy of itself. And then right now, the clone is the replicated storage. We're going to change that by having the parent be the backpack of the player. So we're going to do player.Backpack. Once you have the script, close your local script, and now it's time to test play. Now when you spawn in, click the button, and it should give you your tool.